Welcome to Q&A practice. Let's get started with some warm-up. And we will start with defense attorney. Ready? Here we go. Does the training technique which you have learned and the experience that you have had indicate the methods and the ways to control nervousness in people you are questioning? We try to put them at ease. Just what was it in the defendant's attitude that led you to question her further in relation to the possible criminal involvement which you describe? I don't recall anything in her attitude, sir. Her physical behavior tipped me off. I think that she was possibly or probably hiding something. She became nervous, yes. Visibly so? Yes, sir. Isn't that when you started talking to her about scuba diving? No, I think we talked about scuba diving prior to that. I'm not sure, but I think we did. Would that be another type of technique in the interrogation to put someone at ease? Yes, that is a technique, and you are skilled at it, are you not? I try to be. Your thought changed during that first visit somehow or other. That's true. Suspicion at that time focused on Miss Pierce in your mind. It didn't change to Miss Pierce. For the time being, it shifted to her. It didn't eliminate Rodney, in my opinion, but it brought another person into the investigation. You didn't know about that other person before you went out there, did you? No, I didn't. You had no time to check on that other person, had you? I was informed, based on the report, that it was Rodney. When you went back to the office, was not the purpose of returning to your office to investigate Miss Pierce immediately? Yes. All right, now let's work on our transcript, little four-voice practice. And we will start with the court. Ready? Here we go. All right, let's go on the record. We are now going on the record in the matter of the accusation against 7-Eleven, Inc. and Sarah R. Kramer doing business as 7-Eleven, number 124753612, premises located at 641 South Main Avenue in Burbank, California. The matter is before the Department of Alcoholic Beverage Control. The file number is 201624151, and the registration number is 030-82048. I'm Mark Sanchez, and I'm the Administrative Law Judge assigned to handle this matter. Let's have the appearances for the record, starting with the department. Good morning, Your Honor. Marge West for the department. Good morning, Your Honor. Bob Wilson, counsel for respondents. Thank you. I've gone ahead and pre-marked some exhibits. Exhibit 1, the jurisdictional documents, and Exhibit 1 includes the accusation, the notice of defense, the special notice of defense, and the notice of today's hearing. Any objection to my admitting Exhibit 1 into evidence at this time? No objection. None, Your Honor. All right. There being no objection, Exhibit 1 is admitted into evidence. Exhibit 1, the accusation in particular, indicates that these respondents have been licensed since July 1st, 1974, with no record of disciplinary action. Can we stipulate to that? So stipulated, Your Honor. So stipulated. All right. The record will reflect that information. I've also pre-marked 2 photos that I've marked 2A and 2B, and another 2 photos, I assume, of the decoy, which I've marked as 3A and 3B, and these are 2A and 2B. Thank you, Your Honor. And these are 3A and 3B. Thank you. Any other preliminary matters? Ms. West? No. Mr. Wilson? None, Your Honor. Let me just indicate that we asked the minor decoy to step outside, so he's waiting outside, and that was your only other witness other than the one you're calling first. Is that correct? I may call one other witness, but they have not yet arrived. Okay. The only witness in the room right now is your witness, and Your Honor, I do actually have a preliminary matter. Looks like counsel has filed a motion to compel discovery in this case, and the department also filed an opposition to the motion, but there's been no ruling on that motion, so I would just ask the court. I'd like to present the pleadings to the court, and I'd ask the court to make a ruling denying that motion to compel. Well, normally that is set before Judge Morris. that hasn't been set before Judge Morris. It hasn't been heard. It hasn't been heard. It hasn't been set either. Well, I don't think it's been set. I don't know if it's been set. Sorry, sir. All right. I'm going to take a look at these documents. You have your copy? Yeah, I should. And there are the same issues that the court has seen before, same arguments. All right. Good for voice practice. And that will actually conclude our Q&A practice.